Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you the reverse video tutorial in CapCut. So for this tutorial I've already prepared a 5 seconds video, and it's basically so easy. So here is the original video, and I want to make two versions of this, the original one and also the reverse one. So what I need to do, or what you need to do, is click on the video and make the copy version first. So click on the video and find copy, and then for the second video or the copy version, click on that, and here is what you need to reverse. So I'm going to find reverse. Okay, so this one, just click on the reverse and let the CapCut to do its magic. So the reverse is done, and here is the final result. Okay, you see now the video is reversing like this. Okay guys, so that's the easiest way to do the reverse edit in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.